guys were really connected with each other and you were so close that you hoped for a commitment from them, but this person was not giving it to you. They were just keeping you hanging, all right, and then you got frustrated. I see that you now are very disappointed, or you were very disappointed, and you've decided to just leave everything aside and go in your own direction. But the Ace of One, I see that you might be very focused and determined to achieve something in your life, especially career or business or whatever, and you're going full-fledged. You might be educating yourself on something. You're just becoming very creative these days. You're investing in your skills or whatever, and you're trying out new things in your life. Now Fool card is an energy of experiment, and Ace of One is again experiment. So I see that you're experimenting a lot with your life, and you're just trying to do a lot of things in your life these days, and you're not putting up with anybody's BS. You see that this person was not there for you when you wanted them. They were just hiding from you. They were playing hide and seek, and now you are playing a hide and seek. Like, you're just trying to hide yourself, stay away from this person and focus on your own growth. Okay. Yeah, Page of Cup and Three of Swords. I see somebody acted really immature, and the problem was that you can never really figure out this person. You know, Page of Cups can be a surprise, but with the Three of Swords, I see it was a bad surprise for you. Like, you could never really figure out this person. You never really got to know when this person likes you, when they do not like you, if they want anything from you. They just kept on creating confusion for you, and then you've just gotten over it, all right? You feel that this person is not worth your effort, and you cannot trust them, or you cannot wait for them. Like, you feel that time is running, and you know, you want somebody solid in your life, and this person playing these mind games and childish games and immature games, you feel that you cannot accept this person with all this nonsense. So you feel that it's not working, and let me just move on. Okay, what else? Give me some future energy. King of Pentacles. This person is maturing, Pisces. You see how we saw the Fool and the Page of Cups, which is both very immature energies. But now this person is showing up as a King of Pentacles in the future. So from their childish games, they have now realized that if they want you in their life, they have to be mature. So you have actually made this person realize that if they do not level up, or if they do not act mature, you will not be there in your life, and you will be a gone chapter. You are already gone, I think, or you're already going away from their life, and this person is now showing up as a King of Pentacles. Some of you, this could be a businessman, or they could be at a very good position, like they have their shit together kind of thing. You are not taking any action towards this person, but I see this person is leveling up for you, because they realize that their immature mind games will not play well, and if they want to be in your life, they have to come solid, or otherwise you're not interested to put up with their BS. Some of you, I also see that you're very hardworking these days. Like, you are having a lot of responsibilities. You know, 10 of Wands, 10 of Pentacles. You're working really hard on your business or an idea or something. You're just learning something, doing something in your career. You're just putting in a lot of work. It's going to give you, first of all, a lot of material abundance. So from the 8 of Pentacles, we have 10 of Pentacles. It shows that you will be coming a long way in your money and your career. You're leveling up, and I see when this person is seeing that you are leveling up in your life, and you are going after your goals, and you are achieving them, so this person needs to match, otherwise you will be gone. So that is why this person wants to level up. I also see that you might be having 2 people by now, so maybe there are 2 different people in your life, and you're not able to make a choice because none of them behaves. Both of them are kids, so you are like, you're just putting love aside when you're focusing on your career. You're focusing on your money. I think love is not a priority for you these days. You might be working extra hours. You're really working hard, and you're not putting yourself in any love situation. See, you're just trying to isolate yourself. You're not trying to make any decision as well. So you're like, if I have to choose between both of them, I will better not choose anybody. I'll just do my thing, and I'm just going to take a break from both of them, and I'm going to focus on me. So this is what you're doing these days. Some of you also are very intuitive, so intuitively you very well know what is up, and something is going to get revealed to you as well. But this is not something which you don't already know. Like, you already have a notion, like you already have an idea what it could be, and it is going to come out very soon. A secret is going to come out. Okay, what else? 9 of Pentacles. Wow, this is such a beautiful energy. Pisces, I see you very much in your element. You're being very elegant, beautiful. I see that you're doing really well. Your money is going to look really nice. and you're also going to get the recognition, like, you know, because you're hustling so hard, you're working really hard, you're making things happen for you, people are getting drawn to you. Okay, so people really admire you for the hustler you are. But in all of this, do not try to take breaks. Like, do not try to forget taking breaks, is what I want to say. Take breaks as well. Okay, I see that you're working really hard, you're making things happen for you. See, 9 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, abundance is pouring into your life from everywhere, and that is not something which is falling into your lap, but this is something you're working hard for. So in all of this, do not try to forget to take breaks, right? Okay, what else? Any advice for Pisces? The King of Swords. There could be somebody around you who might try to create drama in your life. Could be an air sign, could be fire sign as well. They will just try to come back and, you know, disturb your sleep pattern, disturb your peace, and they will try to put you back in the anxious state that you have really leveled up from. So be very careful. I would also suggest you to not, you know, like just draw a line. Like, always learn to draw a line and do not let people overpower you, overburden you, or like lot many people giving you lot many opinions. That's what the 501 is. So do not try to take everybody's opinion and then basically strain yourself. Do not do that. Just live your life as you're doing. You're doing really, really well. So just keep focusing on that, alright? Because I see somebody will try to create some sort of drama in your life. It could be a past person for some of you. I think it's family or friends or whatever, because there are a lot of people. So it's not one person. I see a lot of people. Maybe they are jealous of your success. You're doing really well. So maybe they're not happy with it. They will try to create unnecessary drama. So try to keep away from them and keep focusing on the work that you're doing, alright? Try to focus on the future. Do not try to go back in the past, is what it is, alright? And I also see that maybe somebody was giving you a silent treatment and they were expecting you to be drained and anxious over them. But when you are moving on and doing so well, this person might be trying to come back and create drama in your life. See, 10 of Swords, sorry. Could be an air sign for some of you. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So your message is basically anybody who is a low-level drama bitch, do not try to entertain to them, alright? Keep doing you. You're doing really well in your personal life. You've reached here with a lot of effort. Keep doing you. And then when it comes to love, I see somebody wants to come in and they want to put in the effort because they are seeing that you are working really, really hard in your life, and they want to be in your life. They want to be in your energy, you know? Alright, what else? What will be the future between Pisces and this person? Wow, 9 of Cups. Ooh. You are somebody's wish fulfillment. Somebody, who is this person? We have 2 9s. You might be seeing 999 a lot these days. It could be a sign. I see there could be a water sign, could be earth sign, could be any sign. Somebody really, really adores you. This person has a lot of love for you. They also have a lot of respect for you. Like, you have leveled up so well in your life and you have done so many good things, great things, that this person not only keeps tabs on you, they are also admiring you. So they are stalking you, but it is not for stalking you like obsessively. This person kind of keep admiring you for what you have become in your life. Okay, so somebody really sees you in a very good light and they think that you are some sort of wish fulfillment to them. So they would want to have you in your life, in their life, I'm sorry. Because they think that you have a very beautiful energy, very beautiful aura to you, you know? Like, you are a high vibe for them and they would want to be in your life. Okay, 8 of Swords. Ooh. There might be 2 people. Okay, so I'm getting a very clear energy here that there are maybe 2 people in your life. One person is like, they are leveling up and they want to be in your life and they think that you are a wish fulfillment. But there is another person, could be an air sign. I'm just getting this air sign very dominantly here, low level drama, and they just want to create chaos in your life. So be very careful because you already have 2 people. You are trying to close yourself to both of them, but I see one of them is leveling up, one of them is doing the work, and for others of you, the other person is just a mess. And if you do not have 2 people, then it could be that maybe someone from your past is a total mess, but the next person that's coming towards you is very beautiful energy. So you have 2 people, 2 choices, so choose wisely, alright, is what I see. If you're trying to manifest love, try to focus on your energies, because whatever you're thinking right now is manifesting. So do not try to think negative, alright? Your life has basically gone through a lot of drama in the recent times. You've come out of this chaos and drama with a lot of effort, a lot of hard work. Just make sure that you do not go back to that. All right, that's your message. And again, Two of Pentacles. See, I was telling you, I see you guys juggling between two options, and you will be making a choice between where you want to go. Two of Cups. This is beautiful. Two of Pentacles, Two of Cups. Yeah, there's a choice in love. You have two people in your life and you will be choosing between them. Could be both water sign, could be both earth signs, could be air and water, earth and water, whatever it is. There could be two people. If you don't have two people, you will soon have two people. And when it comes to your work and your personal life, I see you're thriving, but just try to take breaks. All right, do not try to overburden yourself, overwhelm yourself. Three of Wands. Wow. Some of you, if you're also planning to do something in your life and you like kind of did the base work, I see finally you will be having the courage to move forward. Like you might have done the research and you wanted to take a leap of faith and you were not finding the courage because you were thinking a lot. So in the month of July, you will be finding that courage to go after your goals. Anything else? Sun card, bright, happy days. Ooh. Love is coming in your life. Love is finding you. I see somebody being very determined to come into your life. And you know the good thing, this person has leveled up. So they have leveled up to match you. And that is why they want to be in your life again. So this is a good thing. And that happens very rarely, you know, because most of the people when they come back, they're just the same fuck boys, fuck girls. But this person, they've changed for you. However, I see you're very skeptical, but I see somebody finds you really, really attractive. And they always have you on their mind. And they think that you're very beautiful and you're very hardworking, you know. Your growth has really inspired this person. Alright. So let's take a romance angel for you, Pisces, for July. Make the effort. See, somebody is willing to make an effort towards you. This person thinks that you are worth taking an effort. Wasn't the same thing that we were telling through the entire reading. See, unrequited love and new love. So I see that there are two people in your life. One person is unrequited and the other person, they are making efforts towards you and they want to be in your life. Anything else? Wedding. Wedding! Didn't I tell you? Out of the two people, I definitely see one person is really leveled up and they want to be in your life for good. So choose wisely. Alright? And also stay optimistic about your love life because you're manifesting. You've become a very powerful manifestor. So do not try to dwell into negativity because you will manifest that. I see that you have a very strong aura. These days, whatever you set your mind to, you're manifesting. So try to manifest this new start with this person. Okay? Be optimistic. Be more optimistic. And in your career and your business, I see you're thriving, really thriving. So all the very best for that. So that was a very beautiful reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.